Here we go in the wind. June 25th, 2021. Finally found some shade. Finally did find some shade.
See this? I have to do everything. I had to fix it, make it work.
Anyway, we have a leak. You may need that in a minute. Anyway, we're going to talk about what I did. We went in there and worked on this drive shaft. Anyway, to get the tubes on, I made a modification right here. I drilled a hole right there so I could tighten the hose clamp. Told you I tore the gasket, putting it on. That rubber seal's a real butthead. I don't even know what they use it for. If the gasket's good, you shouldn't even need the rubber seal.
I'm with you. Let's sit in the water.
What are you doing down there?
We're sitting in the water. Now we're putting the water mud all over Mama.
Here, climb up in this. This might be really hard on camera, so I'll put the camera down.
It's too heavy to fall.
Thank you. Unless somebody's worried about me.
I'm with you.
So, anyway, hopefully we can go fishing. Well, we're just gonna see if it'll start again. In there. I don't know if we need a choke or not. You think I need a choke?
I don't know.
Where's my water at? Better start spitting some water out of it and pull it back off there. Means our water pump's gone. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah, the water pumps are working. Anyway, we had the drive shaft out. We pulled the whole unit off. We were test fire. Checking the oil pressure and the voltmeter. We're gonna let it warm up for a few seconds. Yeah, if I throw it in gear when it's really cold. This does not have a fast idle cam on it. I need to go get a really nice fast idle cam, set up carburetor for it. It's like a really pathetic choke. This is no choke. I didn't use the choke at all. I just cranked it and it started. No choke. So anyway, we're not very warm. Maybe we'll put it in drive or throw it in. Oh, it died. Didn't like spinning the shaft. Probably gonna need to turn up the idle speed for cold start. That little white mark, yeah. Ooh, that was forward. We go. Man, we may still have maybe a throttle. I don't know. We may not be getting our squirt. We're still cold though. It ain't gonna work until it warms up. Yeah, it's cold. Could be my accelerator pump. In reverse. Go turn the water hose on a little bit higher. It's outrunning my flow. My water's trying to get low. Just a little bit. Don't go full blast. Just pull it up quarter inch or so. There you go. That's plenty. I don't want to burn my water pump up. That's just wrong. We ain't got no prop on it yet. We are almost at prop. I don't know. We may have an accelerator pump problem. I got a lot of looseness in my handle. We are about at about operating temperature. I'll blow it up. It's stuck on me a little bit there. I'm actually trying to work my shift cables and loosen them up, make sure I ain't got no debris and nothing slowing them down. That looks about right. Dropping into gears, probably gonna be about 650. Looks like we're about ready to rock and roll. Bilge worked last time I checked it. Awesome! Shade tree mechanic out here. 10-point fish, 121. Looking good. God bless.